Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here, and we are about to do a Dollar Tree haul. Okay, what's so special about this one? Y'all, I went in on a day that people are in their Christmas shopping. Okay, not only was they Christmas shopping, the place was full. I went to the big Dollar Tree. What made that one so special? Y'all. You know how you go in the Dollar Tree and they only got one line going, or maybe two? Man, they had about 5 lines going. I said, what? Every register was full. And then, on top of that, the lines was long. I'm like, what? Everybody must have figured it out. And people had baskets full of stuff. I thought, well, dang, is it food day? Because, you know, you go to the store and everybody's on the first got all the food and stuff. Shoot, you'd have thought it was the same air, man. It was full in the place. But I did find a few items that I have not seen at the Dollar Tree before. And I wanted to share them with you all. And the first thing I'm going to share with you all is name brand at the Dollar Tree, Lysol. Yes, it is the multi-purpose cleaner. Yes, it's Lysol. And it's lemon scented and it holds 5 gallons. So it's concentrated. Wow. Name brand at the Dollar Tree. Not only did they have that at the Dollar Tree, they had this Comet, okay? Bleach kitchen cleaner. I know Comet is name brand because when I was coming up as a kid, they didn't really have off-brand stuff back then. And Comet was the main thing we used to clean the tub out. It was time to clean that tub. We had to get that can of Comet and sprinkle it, that blue-green stuff. Oh, my. And scrub and scrub. Yes. That was before name brand stuff even came out. So Comet been around for a long time. And Dollar Tree has it there. I went over to the automotive section because I was thinking about doing another gift basket. They got caulk. Guys, they got caulk. Y'all know what the caulk is for. Y'all seal in those little areas that need to be, you know, not air coming through them and make it, you know, seal the wall to the floor type thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The caulk. The kind where you need the caulk gun. But not only that, they had it in the tube form. So when it's in a tube form like this, you know how you got a hole in the wall from putting a picture in there? Well, boop, no more hole in the wall, okay? That's what you use the tube one for. You still use it for the same one, you know, to seal different things like everything. But this is good for sealing out the holes, okay? So, I'm like, Dollar Tree, look at y'all. I'm telling you, they keep improving. They keep improving. And man, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's cute. I picked it up because this is the type that I can sit at my desk at the office. And it has the spiral rings around there. So I have not seen the one with the spiral rings on there. And I thought it was convenient enough to sit right in front of my monitor. And so it's like, yeah, I'm going to get that. I mean, I could wait for the secretary to, you know, get one ordered and all that kind of stuff. But this one was convenient, and it's $1. Now, this other calendar I bought for me. Y'all. Boom. Wine is life. Yes, it is. You imagine a calendar talking about wine? Oh, my God. And they've got all these neat little wine sayings on them. Wow. So awesome. One of the best ones. I feel better after I whine a little. So yes, this is nice. So you know, this one is specifically for me. I like it. I like it. I found one for those that like puppies. Oh, that's so cute. And look at some of the puppies that are going to be on there featured. Is Maggie in there? This is great for somebody that loves puppies. Which, guess who's Maggie's groomer? It's gonna get it. All right, now this other one is, I decided I'm gonna make another boxing, or not a boxing, but another gift basket for a guy, which is my brother. And boom, yes, the car calendar, okay? Not just any kind of car. These are classic cars. This is a great calendar for guys. So you need that guy on a special list. This calendar is very nice. I mean, it has the really cool old school import cars. They did good on this one. This one's nice, really nice. I like that. Furniture wipes. I'm like, this right here, you can use on your wood. Now you can't use it on, it tell you can't use it on fabric, plastic, paint, stuff like that. But it's great for your wood. And I've noticed that I keep my wine on a wood rack, and yeah, it gets dusty. It's good. I'm gonna try this. They're wipes instead of, you know, psh, 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 wipe it with the towel. Let's try and see how this works, okay? So this was new to me, and plus I knew it had to be new because there was a whole roll full of them. So I was like, yes, I'll try this. I'll try it. See how it works out. I don't know if I've just not been looking or what, but I've never seen parchment paper in there. Parchment paper is a little pricey to get. What you'll do with these is you'll take them and line your cookie pans with them, or your pans, whatever pan you're putting in the oven especially, and you'll cook right on top of it. And then after you get through cooking, you'll have very little to clean up. You know, even if it didn't show through there, like if you put cookies on there, you know, there's not going to be a mess on your pan, but you still want to wash over it. But these are excellent for that. I've used it for chicken, and I've used it for the cookies all day long. I mean, this is nice. So, and it has 10 of them in a pack. So I got one for me, and then I put away one for my sister that be like, everything in a Dollar Tree is not a dollar. Girl, yes it is. Okay. So I got her one. So she's gonna be shocked. Cause she uses those, cause she makes a lot of those cauliflower pizzas and things like that. So she's gonna love that. Now another new thing in the Dollar Tree that I found that I know I have not seen in there is these bungee cords. Okay, bungee cords. Now I've always seen the little cord as it coiled around and everything, but these are the bungee cords are the ones that you can hook on your trunk and around your car so that you can keep something strapped down. This is a true investment. Guys, tell the women that this is a true investment because bungee cords are needed. You never know when you might need a bungee cord, but these definitely well worth having, okay? So that is it for my Dollar Tree. Oh, one more thing. I forgot. I set it up here. And the reason I set it up here is because I wanted to taste it. I seen these in there. I get veggie straws all the time out of Costco. But they had it here in Dollar Tree. And I'm like, veggie straws, sea salt. They look just like the ones I get out of Costco except for they're $1. The expiration date's April 2019. So we have turned this into a Dollar Tree haul tasting. Looks the same. Smells the same. They're alright. I wouldn't run home and buy these. I ain't ate, so I'm like, I'll eat them. But, yeah, I can keep that. Alright, so, oh, there's one more thing. Give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Now, I got all this stuff today, but this item I had to put in the freezer. Booyah! What the heck? The funny thing about them having the Edwards pies, they had the cookies and cream, they had the turtle pie, and they had the chocolate cream pie. I'm like, I just did a review on them. I'm like, and they got them in the Dollar Tree. I'm like, okay. Well, I'm like, this is a taste test. So, even though it was still in a container, I went in there and nuked it. I nuked it for 15 seconds. Now, what it's going to look like, I don't know. Yeah, can't get it open. Oh, because I didn't open it all the right way. Trying to rush. Slow your roll. Slow your roll, girl. Okay. Yeah, it's a little soft. It's a little soft. But now, let's see if they tricked me and made me think it's Edwards. So I nuked it, so it's a little soft. See, I gotta keep tasting it, y'all. This is Taste Test Tuesday. Oh, that's right. I'm probably not supposed to be eating this, huh? Let me keep tasting it. Oh, my. Yeah, y'all don't want any. Let me go back to the damn store. Edwards, y'all make the best pies. Oh, they had key lime in there too. So you know I'm a key lime fan too, but I decided I would get the Oreo. Because I'm so key limed. I done ate a lot of key lime. Because I better try something different. Which I've had the cookies and cream too, but I don't know. I just wanted the cookies and cream. Okay, so I'm tasting this for y'all. I'll let you know how it tastes. Give me a second. I'm still tasting. Y'all, I love these pies. How am I going to do my New Year's resolution and I'm still eating pies? Let me tell you something. You can still have a dessert or whatever it is that you have the fetish of. You just can't eat a whole lot. So by it being in this little single serving, this one little piece of pie should not hurt me. Okay? So don't bother coming for me in the comments, all right? Let me enjoy this. And when you go to the Dollar Tree and your Dollar Tree has this, you will understand the enjoyment of eating Edwards pies. Now, that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. And of course, this sampling of Edwards pie. I'm not sure if you want any. But if you do, I suggest you go check your Dollar Tree and make sure that I didn't go there and get them all. All right, so this is the Dollar Tree haul from today. Why is people sending me messages while I'm doing this? I don't get it. They trying to check and see if I'm still up. That was good. This is your girl SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Haul. I just brought... Did I just say Real Haul? Let's redo that. All right. This is your girl SJ here with... All right. That is it for the Dollar Tree haul. And yes, Edwards Pies, thumbs it up. Can you thumb up this video also? And don't forget, comment below. Let me know if your Dollar Tree has any of these new items here. Because they're new to me. And you know, every Dollar Tree has something different. I went to the big one because I knew the big one would have like everything. And lo and behold, I found a lot of new finds at this big one. All right, this is your girl SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life. Make sure you come back and see me in 2019 for the next video. Oh, wait. I'll do some videos before 2019 for y'all because it's still Vlogmas. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye. I wanted to make sure I came back and showed y'all the finished product for the Dollar Tree basket that I made for my brother. There's that calendar, the toolbox, even the caulk. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. It's SJ. Bye-bye. Happy holidays.